1971 space rescue. In 1970, after an oxygen tank exploded on board Apollo 13, Mission Control helped the crew return safely to Earth 4 days later. The story was told both by Mission Commander Jim Lovell in his book Lost Moon, and on screen in the 1995 movie Apollo 13, starring Tom Hanks, Ed Harris, Bill Paxton, Kevin Bacon, and Gary Sinise. 1969 First Man on the Moon. 1969 First crew exchange in space. 1967 First person to die in space. 1965 First spacewalk. 1963 First woman in space. 1962 First American to orbit the Earth. 1961 First person to spend over a day in space. 1961 First American in space. 1961 First human in space. 1957 First satellite to orbit Earth.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.